Add a little bit of our sugar-free Ready Whip to it, and you have yourself a 90-second mug cake. And if you love this recipe, be sure to subscribe. If you want no more low-carb recipes, you can get the recipe in the description box. Ooh, I can't talk. And be sure to download our menu. Take care, gang. Bye-bye.